Take your time and watch this video to the end as I show you the step-by-step way on how to register this Ion wallet the proper way in order to avoid mistakes. So to get your Ion registered, just click on the link that I'll be dropping right at the video description, and then go ahead and click on login. If you've never had an account before, just go ahead and click on where you have this login. As soon as you click on login, it will take you to where you have register. If you have not had an account, like I said, go ahead and click on register to create an account. Okay, so after clicking on register, you now use a key name for yourself. You can choose any name of your choice. Now this is what they mean by using a key name. Think of your identity key as a unique identifier of your account. You will need it to log in and recover your account, so keep it safe and don't forget it. Alright, so you choose a unique name for yourself right here. Choose any name that you think that this is unique. Mine is dexcheq, and so this is my unique name that I'll be using to log into my account. In case anything happens to my account, I can easily use this, my unique name, to get access back into my account. Alright, that is the purpose of this. So you go ahead and click on continue, and then you verify with a pass key. The pass key often comes with from your phone, often tied to or linked to your Google Mail. Alright, so here's my pass key. I can decide to either continue from here. Now they said this passkey will be used for this online plus app. Alright, now you just go ahead and click on continue. Passkey is often created together with your Gmail. Okay, go ahead and grant it permission to unlock your phone. Then as soon as that is done, you'll be automatically connected into the app. But you have to complete just few things. You go over here and complete your name. You select a nickname for yourself, and you select who invited you. Now for this who invited you, go ahead and add the link, my referral code, which is dexcheq right here. Go ahead and insert my referral code right here before you can even have access to the app. Okay, so here is my name. I'll just write my name. As soon as that is done, I'll just go ahead and choose a referral, a unique name. So here is my unique name. So here is my unique name. I'll just go ahead and insert the referral code. You have to insert the referral code of who invited you, else you are not going to open the app. That app is not going to open. Okay, so you have to ensure that you insert someone's code right there. So we'll go and look for somebody's referral code and insert right there. So I'll come here, select a referral code, urban time. I'll copy that username, which is also the referral code in online. Come here and paste it. Okay, you can see it is okay now. So you just go ahead and click on save. As soon as you click on save, you select English, choose your language settings, go ahead and click on continue. After that, now you can follow creators right here. Okay, you can decide to follow creators right here. So I can follow anybody I want to follow right here. I can follow Bitcoin Babe or smart, anybody I want to follow. You can just follow. You can decide to ignore, or you follow anybody that you think you love. And verify with your passkey. Just give it a little time while it load up. Okay, so I guess it is done registering and loading up. So congratulations, here is the app. You have successfully logged into the app. Alright,
Video was helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you have any question, leave them at the comment section. See you in the next video.